Students, let's move on our next alga part, that is whole words. Today we will have a dictation. So open your notebook. I hope you all are excited to tell me how well you remember spellings of the words we did in last few days. Now I will call out some words. You have to think of the spellings and write it down in your notebook. Are you all ready? Good. Let us start. So first of all, you have to write the dictation on your notebook, and then after write the first word, and the first word is teeth. Teeth. Write it in your notebook. Very good. Second word is look. Look. Third word is leave. Leave. Fourth word is water. Water. Fifth word is some. Some. Sixth word is have. Have. Seventh word is bird. Bird. Eighth word is land. Land. Ninth word is also. Also. And 10th word is same. Same. Now let us look at the correct spellings from the screen, and please correct all your spellings by looking at the screen, and make sure that you practice those spellings at home once again. So students, quickly now look at the screen, see, and check your spellings and correct the incorrect spellings. Check it. T-E-E-T-H, T-E-E-T-H, L-O-O-K, look, L-O-O-K, look, L-I-V-E, L-I-V-E, W-A-T-E-R, water, W-A-T-E-R, water, S-O-M-E, some, S-O-M-E, some, H-A-V-E, have, H-A-V-E, have, B-I-R-D, bird, B-I-R-D, bird, L-A-N-D, land, L-A-N-D, land, A-L-S-O, also, A-L-S-O, also, S-A-M-E, same, S-A-M-E, same. आई होप बेटा आप सबकी स्पेलिंग्स करेक्ट हैं. अगर आपकी स्पेलिंग्स करेक्ट नहीं है, प्लीज़ डू मोर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स वंस अगेन. आपको फिर से इन वर्ड्स को याद करने के लिए क्या करना है, दोबारा से इनको स्पेलिंग्स को रीड करना है और फिर इनको लिख लिख के याद करना है, लिख के और बोल के याद करना है. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन अवर नेक्स्ट अलगा पार्ट. ओके.